Okay guys, so as you can see the envelope icon on the screen right now, if I click on it, it will bring me to a place look like this, and it said I have withdrawn successfully. Now if I click on it, you can see that I've able to withdraw 32.3 USDT from this website. Now if I click on my Binance account, when I go to deposit, you can see that the money have been transferred into my Binance account. So guys, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make this amount of money you are seeing on the screen for yourself. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay guys, so before I show you the method I have for you in today's video, make sure that you follow me on Twitter, where I do a massive giveaway the moment I hit 1k followers. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. Now guys, click on the first link in the description box below. If you click on that link, it will bring you to a place that look like this. Okay, it will bring you to a place that you can see on the screen. Now when you're here, it's either you register by your email or register by your phone, but I always recommend going by your email. So make sure that you give them your email, give them a valid email here, and also give them a password, a strong password of that matter, password that you can even remember. Confirm your password and leave the invitation code like this, as you can see on the screen. Now when you've done all those things, it will bring you to a place that look like, let me come in. I have accounts with them already, so I'm just going to log in inside real quick. Let me show you how you can make money from this platform real quick. In case you are loving the video, please don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop videos like this, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so let me log in real quickly. Okay guys, so when you're here for the first time, this is what they will give to you. This is the announcement they have, and they are giving you all that you need to know to make money from this platform. But don't worry, I'm going to show you the best, or the ways that you make money from this platform. Okay, so if you're here, all that you need to do is click on what I know. Now when you click on this, is how the platform look like. Now when I come to the VIP, you can see that the moment that you log in, they will give you a free VIP one. Okay, the VIP one will be open for you for free. Now if you click on the VIP one, you can see that they will allow you to withdraw 0.3 cents USDT every day. As you can see on the screen, you can withdraw it every day, and that's for free. You will not pay any amount of money, as you can see on the screen. Now if you go to the VIP 2, you can see that you need to deposit 13 USDT to be able to withdraw 3 USDT every day. When you go to VIP 3, you need to deposit an amount of 39 USDT to withdraw 10 USDT every day. And also when you go to VIP 4, you can see on the screen right now that you need to deposit an amount of 123 USDT to be able to withdraw 32 USDT every day. So this is what I'm doing. The level 4 is the VIP 4 is what I'm on it right now. When I scroll down real quickly, you can see that they have a lot of VIPs here, a lot of things here that you need to put money on and make money from it, as you can see on the screen real quick. Now when you're here, let me show you another method that you can make money from here. Now if you go to their team right here, you can see that this is the referral program. So this is your referral link. You need to copy this link, share it to all your friends. The moment that they join this platform and they're making money from it, you get a commission from those friends who are making money from it. Okay, so again, the moment you unlock the first VIP here, if you unlock the first VIP here, as you can see on the screen, all that you need to do is click on the taxes. Now if you click on the taxes, you can see the taxes will be available here for you to do. You can see, so this is the free taxes that I'm talking about. This is the free taxes that you get for the day. So all that you need to do here, is just to click on to complete. You can see on the screen. Now it will load like this. Now when it load, the money, the 0.3 cents will be deposited into your account. Let me just click on it real quick again. You can see the taxes are very simple. In the last one, click on it again real quick. Boom, you can see they are very simple. Now if I click on complete, you can see today we are able to complete 3 tasks today, as you can see on the screen. Now when I go to, let me show you something. When I go to withdraw real quick, you can see the amount of you're having is 0.9 USDT, as you can see. Now the maximum withdrawal is 3 USDT. So when you're here, all that I need to do is click on recharge. Okay, so when you click on recharge, they're going to give you the address that you'll be sending the USDT to. So just copy the address and go to your wallet you're using. In case you're using Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or Binance, go to that one. I'm using Binance, so I'll just go to my Binance real quick. So let me wait for it to load. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon below. Okay, so when I click on the Binance, I need to go to wallet real quick. Sorry for the network, I think I have poor network today. Yes, when I go to the wallet, all that I need to do is click on the USDT and click on withdraw. When I click on the withdraw, let's wait for it to load. I just need to paste the address here, you can see. So I will just paste the address here and then select the network, which is the CR20, and give them the money, the amount of money that I'm going to invest. But for me, I'm going to invest 123. But because of the charges that they're going to withdraw, they're going to take a charges fee, network charge of 1 USDT. So I need to make it 124. Okay, real quick, and click on withdraw. Now after I click on withdraw, they would like for me to confirm if everything is okay. So check the address or check the amount of money and check everything and click on the confirm button. Now when you click on the confirm button, it will load and the money will be sent to the platform. Okay, so what I need to do, what I need to do is just go back to your platform and click on recharge completed. Now when you click on the recharge completed, the money will be deposited into your account. Okay, the money will be deposited into your account. So all that you need to do is just to go to the VIP real quick. Go to the VIP and select the VIP you want to unlock. But for me, I'm unlocking the VIP 4. You can see that it have been unlocked successfully. So I'll be able to make 32 USDT every day, the same as $32 every day. Now if I click on the taxes, you can see that I've done my taxes for today. Now if I click on completed, you can see that I've done my taxes, where the 32 USDT have been drawn already, have been drawn into my account already, and I'll show you at the beginning of the video how this money have been drawn inside my account. So guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. In case you have any suggestion, you have anything that you want me to know about, or there is something that I didn't tell you about this video, you can comment below. Or in case you have another website which is really paying and the fees is very good, then I urge all of you to drop it below. Okay, I'll review it and do video about it for you guys. And also, in case you really appreciate my efforts where I drop videos like this, why not click on the bell icon below so that you can be notified anytime I drop more videos. And before I forget to, guys, make sure that you draw every money. Make sure that you draw every money that you have made here. And the maximum withdrawal is $3, as I said earlier. So make sure that you draw every money that you have made from this platform. So guys, in case you have found value of this video, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon below to be notified when I drop more videos. And guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. Make sure you hit the like button and also comment, share this video to all your friends who are looking for you to make money online. See you in my next video, and I'm out.